Hi there! Today my wife is flying to Poland and I will be going to a hotel.
This is the hour, the darkest place, Dante's Inferno.
Just need to pick her up and then we're ready to go. Also, given the fact that my wife has the big camera because she's off on her trip to Warsaw, I will be vlogging using my GoPro and the mobile phone. So I apologize for the quality. It's time. Quick pit stop on the road. My daughter really wants her pacifier. Got it. And we're off again. We're stuck in a traffic jam. Hopefully it won't take us too much longer because I'm starting to get hungry. We're almost here. We're here, finally.
He's not the one cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. He's your big mistake. You need to know, just let him go. Just let him go.
As you might have noticed by now, the hotel room is quite okay. It's big. We have breakfast. We're right next to the swimming pool. And I think we're about to change and head off to the swimming pool.
And tell me, why do you think he's not there with you now? Been right there by your side. Look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, that's what I'm saying. Don't waste your life. He's not the one cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big.
Okay, by now you've seen the swimming pool in the room. This hotel is awesome. The food was pretty good for a hotel. It was quite nice, and also everyone is super friendly. So far are as you can see, as you can hear, I mean, my daughter and I, we really like this hotel.
Put your head high, girl, this time is right.
Good morning everyone, we're just about to go and have breakfast and then we're ready to leave. Let's go.
Just let it go. Just let it go. Ooh, yeah. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake. You need to just let it go. Just let it go.
We just finished having breakfast. Breakfast is good. I think we're about to check out. I've talked to my wife and we'll be back in this Hilton because we really liked it. The rooms are good. I mean, they're a bit dated as you've seen. However, all the facilities, the swimming pool is amazing. Everything is just nice and everyone is friendly. Okay, so I'm in The Hague currently. Just about to buy a small birthday present for my niece, and I think I'm gonna continue this vlog for a bit because I'm gonna try I want to try out my new gimbal and I want to try out a hyperlapse. So please bear with me. Did you like the hyperlapse? I did. And now it's time to go to meet our niece. So we've arrived at the playground. My daughter is fast asleep, so I have to wake her up now. Sorry. Okay, this day has been interesting. The last time I've talked to you, I was just at the playground. We later drove to the city center and then went to see The Incredibles 2 with my 2-year-old daughter, and she was a trooper. She just, first, she really liked the movie, and second, she didn't make a sound at the cinema. I'm so proud right now, you guys. You have no idea. And now we're about to do grocery shopping, but that's just plainly boring to watch. So I think this is it for me now. Anyway guys, as always, subscribe, hit the like button if you really enjoyed the video. Subscribe if that's something that you're into, as Peter McKinnon says. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.